road on the left. Southern Discovery, the Spirit of Milford. So we're heading out for the cruise. The Milford Wanderer is just arriving.
Young males, I reckon this life was still looks pretty damn good.
We're about to head in underneath the waterfall. Not quite as extreme as I was hoping for, but I still got pretty wet.
So we're just going to stop the boat here for a second.
Go into the Discovery Centre.
Of Milford. So he didn't discover the place, he actually basically moved here back in the 1800s. Gather around, make sure everyone can see, okay? Gather around, guys. Once we're down there, we'll be in the room which we call the chamber, okay? Now down there we have 20 viewing windows. That's these guys here, okay? They're much bigger, by the way, this is just a sample. So each window, they are 12 centimeters thick. They weigh 160 kilograms each, close to like 300 pounds. And they are rated to holding out 8 tons of water pressure, which is way more than we need, okay? So you're all perfectly safe. Okay, I think that's everybody. So welcome to the underwater chamber, guys. Just to remind you, we have 10 meters under the surface of the ocean, and we are looking out into the Tasman Sea, okay? This is just a part of the fiord.
so there's the Homer Tunnel. That big tunnel we went through. Okay, so this gives you a good idea. When you come from Anau, you come along a bunch of roads and you go up a hill. And rather than going over the top, you go through this tunnel. And then you make your way down to Milford Sound. Right, we are about to leave the little wee underwater observatory here. This is our ride back, the Lady Stirling.
Pembroke Glacier just off to the left-hand side of us. The glacier that feeds the Stirling Falls we pulled underneath earlier on. Cards.
The tour is done. Now we've got to get on the road and head back home. Oh, I feel exhausted. The day is only half done. You know, when you see parking anarchy, it's then that you figure you want to see some parking enforcement. And when we parked in this car park, it was bedlam. Cars parked everywhere, on the grass verges, on the yellow lines, everywhere. We're heading back now.